It's on my friends.
Alright. This. We need this. ¿Has ido a la casa de que compró Katy?
No.
You been there? Nice.
It's beautiful.
It's a lot of space.
A lot.
Look, this is a Bose center channel speaker.
Center channel speaker.
No, it's a center channel. Center channel.
Center channel.
Center channel. I wonder if they can hear the sound. Alright. That's clean. You hear, right? Huh?
Yeah.
I think you gotta do it for so long for people to join. People won't join the first. They gotta get to know you. I don't even know how that works.
What's this one?
This is a Marantz CD player. Actually, a Marantz DVD player.
DVD player?
Yeah, it's a DVD player, 5 disc changer, 5 DVDs you can put here. Alright, so
It works?
we're gonna test it afterwards.
So tell them where you find this stuff.
Well, since we have a store, since we have a shop, people come and sell it to me. They come and drop it off. Look, you show them. We have So people pretty much come and drop things off. I buy it, then we resell it. That's pretty much what we do.
And where do you sell it mostly here or?
Most of the customers come from online, like eBay. We sell a lot on eBay. Most of it on eBay, most of it online. We sell some at the shop, but mostly on eBay.
What if something's broken?
We repair it. Not everything can be repaired, but if we can repair it, we do it, and then we sell it. But some things we also sell for parts or repair. So we sell it so people can probably use anything that they might need. So even if this wasn't working, we could sell it for parts.
For parts?
Yeah, even if it wasn't working, it still has value. Because it's hard to find parts for this unit. They don't sell them anymore. Yep.
What would you say is like your client base?
Client base? Well, we sell mostly vintage, like receivers from the 70s, receivers from the 80s, amplifiers from the 70s. So we sell vintage electronics. This is not too vintage. This is not that old. This is probably, I say, 15 years old. So we have all type of clients, you know. If you need something and we have it, we'll sell it to you. But we mostly focus on vintage items, vintage electronics. Yep. But
So these older items,
mm,
do they work more reliably than like
I mean,
ones today?
if you're talking about a unit from the 70s, yes, the sound is different. You know, the speakers they sound different. The the receivers, the amplifiers, they give a different sound. So yes, it's different than something that you would buy today. You could probably get the same sound, but you'll spend a lot of money. And if you're on a budget, you could just buy something from that time period, but for a lot less money.
More reliable?
It is. It's built differently. It's built better quality for sure. Design is better. What they used to build it is better. So yes, it is actually more reliable. Yes, yes, it is.
As they're doing.
They probably need a record player.
There's a bunch, right?
Yeah, I got a few.
sound is different.
The sound is different. It's what they call a fuller. It's a fuller sound, a warmer sound. It's a different sound completely, for sure. Now, not just. I'm not talking about just the amplifier, but also the speakers. You know, from the '70s, the JBLs, um, Totem. So the sound is different, for sure.
Something like this, how much would you list it up for on eBay?
In working condition, something like this will sell for 150 to 200. But if I have to sell it for parts, $50.
Dollars?
$50, yeah.
How much you pay for this one?
For this, I paid $20. But I take the gamble, you know, because sometimes things can be repaired, so you won't make that much money. So it is a gamble.
It works.
Yeah. It is. So,
Everything just has gotten smaller and plastic.
pretty much. That's why I say when back then they used to build them a lot stronger, different materials. So there it is. There you go. Baby Hi-Fi, how can I help you? Yes, how can I help you? Okay, so basically, one of the modules that's damaged, I cannot find the replacement for it. So I'm gonna look another couple of days to see if we're lucky if we can find one. If not, it won't be possible to repair it because I won't be able to get that part that I need. Hmm. Can you call me back on Saturday if possible? Yeah, so I can just confirm with you. All right, man. Thank you. All right. Bye.
Somebody said Gary V would be proud. Well done.
Gary V, let's go. You buy it for $1 and sell it for two. That's the whole point, man. You buy low and you sell high. Um, yeah. All right, let me get a DVD, see if it works. Number 5. Actually, Gary Vee was one of the ones that inspired me to do this. Um, Before I used to go to tag sales,
Yeah.
garage sales, state sales, auctions. But now people come here and they sell it to me. They come in and we buy it and we list them, resell them. So it looks like, well, this is a DVD, right? Yeah, it looks like it's not gonna work. I'll do further testing afterwards with the TV. Alright, so this one is fine.
How many do you clean and test a day?
I try to do at least 10, or if I can do more, I'll do more. Because then we actually have to take pictures, we have to list them, so that's also the next step. This is a double cassette deck. Some of you have probably never seen a tape player before.
Never used here. It's funny because before you wanted to listen to music, you need this, but now you just have everything on your phone and streaming is free, so
But the
you don't
thing
even
is,
have to pay for the music.
the people that are really into the hi-fi, the music, the quality of music that comes from your phone is the worst quality ever. It's the worst. So YouTube, unless you're really paying for premium sound, you're getting decent quality sound. But if you're getting it off YouTube, it's the worst sound you could possibly have. That's for sure. So people have gotten used to bad quality. But it is in the palm of your hands. It is faster to listen to whatever you want, but the quality is horrible. So that's the difference.
I know Apple Music pay every month and they have Dolby Atmos.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's good. So yeah, if you're paying for something, yeah, you should be getting better quality. But a lot of people are not paying, so they get it off YouTube. And then after we sell them, we got to ship them. So that's another step. Packing units like these, you got to be careful.
More expensive.
It's more expensive to ship, and you got to be careful because the shipping companies just throw things around. They don't take care of. So that's you always have to. If you're selling something that's expensive, you got to get insurance. You got to protect yourself because they don't care. So if you don't get insurance, the buyer will request a return, and you'll have to, reimburse the money. So that's always something to think about because we do have units that are 500, 800, 1,000, 2,000. So we have to be careful.
A lot of cardboard.
A lot of cardboard, a lot of boxes, a lot of styrofoam, a lot of bubble wrap. But it's okay.
Like there has to be at least shipping.
There isn't.
No.
No. Nope. A lot of packing supplies. That's what we need.
When people buy these items,
What?
when people buy these items, they like to have more. But sometimes they have more of like sentimental attachment, things like this, because
Yes.
they want to listen to their old
Yes.
music and get that feeling of nostalgia.
Nostalgia is key word. What happens is that when they were younger, they remember their fathers or their grandparents having the unit. So as they get older, they remember about those days when they used to see it in their living room. So now that they get older, they can afford it. So they buy it because it brings them memories. Or when they were younger, they couldn't afford it. So once they get some money, they're able to buy what they always wanted. You know? So yes, it is. A lot of it has to do with nostalgia. Yes, a lot of it. When people come in the store, they feel like they have traveled back in time, and they start remembering things. So yeah,
I'll rip that out. Let's see this many. Let's see layers all at once. Vintage.
let's see this one. This is a nice piece.
What's this?
This is a Bang & Olufsen Cord 500. This is actually, is this a tape deck? Yeah, this is a tape deck.
Where is this company from? It sounds like
Bang & Olufsen is from, uh, I'm not quite sure. Denmark, probably. Um, Denmark, yeah, it says right there.
in Denmark.
Yeah.
It looks cool. It's like
Yeah, they're known for their design. Yeah.
It's sleek. It's
intentional.
intentional.
I mean, I'll be surprised if this works. Yeah, you can see you can hear that the belts are shot because they use rubber belts. So over time they deteriorate and work. But even if it doesn't work, you can sell it for parts. Even if it doesn't work. But I'll try to fix this.
And something like that, probably the parts. Someone's definitely looking.
Oh yeah, somebody's gonna buy it, regardless.
A lot of people now don't have what you would call a sound system. Like people back in the day had their speakers and all this stuff all together.
Yeah, but now people, they can afford it. If you ever wanted it when you were younger, you couldn't buy it, but now you can afford it. So those are the people that I, cater to. I guess the people that wanted it when they were little and can now afford it. They're not really looking for something new. They're looking for what they remember. So yeah, that would be the clientele. That's the person that we cater to. And we don't want to see things thrown out. A lot of people throw their stuff away. Besides having value, you should recycle it.
It's just gonna end up in
it's in the landfill. So just bring it here. See? This is what I mean when it's a rubber belt. This is a Biogram CD drawer belt. So this is what we need. See, that's the belt that makes everything move. If it needs to open, if it needs to rotate, so this is what I mean. And we have one here, so we'll be able to replace it. Yeah, the drawer belt. That's why it's not opening. Like this one is. When it opens, it slides like that, and this is what you see. When it opens, it slides, and you'll see the controllers and the tape right in the middle. Yeah, and some people bring the manuals, so that's cool. Baby Hi-Fi, how can I help you? How are you? Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, no. Whenever you're ready, please come pick it up. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's ready. Well, sometimes we can and sometimes, but I was able to fix it. So, yes, yes. You can stop by tomorrow if you like. We're open tomorrow and we're open Saturday. You can come anytime. Just give me a call before you come. That's all. All right? You're welcome. See you soon. You too. I also have the turntable. I'll show you. So,
So when is this from?
where is it from?
No, when?
When is this from? What year? This is from, it actually, you could probably find the year here, or maybe not. But this is early 2000s, I think. Oh. Let's see something. That was the problem. Let's see. No, still not open.
And the color. This reminds me of like something Star Wars.
Color? It's because you like Star Wars. Ah,
Funny to see like how technology changes and
yeah.
how a lot of it is just without the software and everything, it's useless. So it's like if in like 100,000 years from now, if you are still around, and then they find like an old iPhone, they're gonna be like, "What the hell is this?" Because they don't know that
We won't be able to use it at all.
it wouldn't work. So it's just gonna be like a piece of metal and glass. I have no idea that that piece of metal and glass was basically everything. The internet, fingertips.
But you're right, they won't know because they won't be able to use it,
They
right?
won't know. So who knows with things that we found from older people, and we assume that we know how it works, and we really don't. It just doesn't work.
Yeah. You need something else to make it work. So,
What do you use to clean it?
it's pretty much water and vinegar. Yeah, that's the trick. How long is the video?
I don't know. The live stuff. They're gonna try and repair this.
Yeah, this is worth repairing. Even though this company makes it so you really, can't. But well, let's see if we can do it. It's worth it. So this is the matching. This is a matching set.
Have you ever tried to like reach out to the companies that make this stuff? Probably.
Yeah, but some of them, for example, this company, they wouldn't be able to help you because they don't sell the parts. They don't, it's not available anymore. So we do have to reach out because sometimes they do have the parts. This is the CD player. Let's see if it works or if it opens at least. It opened, but with a little bit of help.
So this is the tape, and this is the.
That's the tape player. This is the CD player. It's cool.
Yeah.
Look at the
Never
design.
seen something like that.
It's aluminum. It's not plastic. Nothing here is plastic. Only the hinge, but it looks like it's just good quality.
A lot of people. Now it's way less about design. And just
Because it costs a lot more money. They wouldn't be able to sell it. People wouldn't be able to buy it.
cheap plastic.
So if we wanna
what you said. You said, "Oh, it's people wouldn't buy it because it'd be too expensive." And so that's where you see. I feel like you stop innovation because instead of actually focusing on making the best product, trying to make the best product with the cheapest materials, and then make profit.
Yep. Want to figure it out. Moving a little slow. Let's how you close it and let's see if we can open it. Huh. Let's see if we can get a CD. Let's go. That's the display. What the heck is that? Did it break? You know what? Sometimes you gotta put it like this. I mean, depending on the unit. I don't know if this is the unit that you have to put it facing.
Some of them are with that. When this thing probably first came out, it was
This is top of the line. It was probably worth more than $1,000. Not playing, but it still has value for parts. So, but I'm gonna try to fix it. Gotta stay close. This is the last one. Here we go again. This is the last one. Actually, yeah, this is from 1986.
Wow.
That's the year I was born. 37 years ago. Wow, 37. 37. All right, that's it.